We can. Because you know why? We have time with the patients. We have time to understand the complete, full aspect of who they are and what their needs are. That's the benefit. Comparatively, every 10, 15 minutes, a new patient walks in the door. How am I supposed to give every single patient my undivided attention? I can't. And it becomes very challenging and very hard. And you burn out, so the last thing you want to do is go research something. Like that's not for your patient to like help them if you didn't know it. That's not helpful. It's not helpful for anyone. So the point of the episode today is use the frustration to convert more people into coming and being with you and doing, business with you and basically you changing their lives. So what I mean by that is this converts to over the phone or over a Zoom call. If I'm with a new customer on Zoom and I am trying to say, hey, I'm the best fit for you, I'm going to use my stories of patients that have gone elsewhere to an insurance-based clinic or online and have had horrible results only with symptom management, and they weren't actually getting their problem solved. Comparatively, if you look at all of our reviews, the problem has actually been solved completely. And that is the main difference between you using insurance and coming, or going somewhere else versus coming here. In addition to that, we have a method, the way we do things. We are not bound by insurance. So insurance is able to control, you know, what those providers do over there, but they can't control us, meaning we can treat many different body parts. We can put all the pieces of the puzzle together. We can talk about your nutrition. We can talk about your diet. We can talk about your stress. We can put all the pieces of the puzzle together. If you go the traditional route, you can only focus on that one thing that you are there for, and that is it. Whatever that diagnosis code is, you can only focus on that. And I can't tell you enough is like that should be so passionate over the Zoom call or over the freaking, phone that they feel it. The patients feel it because they've lived it. Or, I mean, nothing's worse than like a chronic pelvic pain patient coming to see us, and they have literally seen 7 different doctors, urologists, endosurgeons, PCPs, and nurse practitioners, all the things, and gotten zero results. They've been on antibiotics, they've done all this stuff. Nothing has helped them. And they say to me, "You're my last resort." I want those patients so freaking badly because I know that I can change their freaking life. And I need them to feel that over the phone because I am 100% confident that if they tried all those things that I know was not going to help them anyways, that I am the go-to person to help them. Because I know those other people did not hit the way I hit it because they're so focused. Urologist is just going to focus on your urine and taking a urine sample and your prostate and giving you antibiotics. It's classic. A primary care is just going to focus on blood work and thinking you have cancer. Classic. Okay. An NP that's maybe like hormones, they may check your hormones and they're going to focus on that. But no one is putting the pieces of the puzzle together. And that's why I think it's so key for us as these providers to spend time with our patients so that we can put all the pieces of the puzzle together and truly give them the best outcome because we have all the answers. We do. I truly believe we have all the answers. We just need time with them to understand fully who they are and what they want out of the treatment or the session or whatever else.